Do you wanna know what this unit has got in common with the Jaguar X-type climate control system? You are in the right place. Let's go! Recently a check engine light appeared on the dash of my Jaguar X-type. Such things sometimes happen to any aged car, but I never let them get the upper hand. I connected a fault code reader, which revealed a P1699 CAN-link ECM climate control module code. At the same time, I found out that I had also lost the use of my side-folding mirrors. I went on investigating the issue, checking the fuses in both fuse boxes with a multimeter. I found out that fuse number 75 in the passenger compartment fuse box was blown. A new fuse inserted in place of an old one used to blow instantly even when the ignition was off. After more searching, it turned out that fuse number 75 is responsible for mirror foldback, battery backup sounder and an AC control unit. I tried to find a faulty unit among above-mentioned three. One by one I disconnected all these systems, checking the voltage on number 75 fuse terminals after each step. First I unplugged both door connectors, two for each door, to exclude the mirrors. It gave no effect. The battery voltage was still coming to the fuse terminals. After that I removed the aircon unit, still no effect. The voltage dropped only after I unplugged the alarm sounder under the left front fender. Voltage drop across fuse terminals means that there is no flow of current through it, no shortcut in my case. It didn't take me too much time and efforts to unplug the alarm sounder, since there is no splash shield under my front bumper, you know. The next problem I had to fix was that I ran out of 7.5 amp fuses. All of them were blown after my experiments. I had to take a temporary measure and insert either a 10 amp or a 5 amp one. I preferred a 5 amp fuse since I unplugged the appliance protected by this fuse, the alarm sounder. So a 5 amp fuse could temporarily withstand an AC heater until I got a new 7.5 amp fuse of a proper quality. I installed it into the fuse box and put the plastic panel to where it belonged. After everything was in place, I started the engine and turned on the heater. You see, it's working, success. The only thing I had to do was to clean the fault codes with an OBD scanner, but to tell you the truth, the check engine light went off by itself after several successful engine starts. As for the unplugged alarm sounder, I did some interweb searching and found out that it utilizes an outdated type of batteries, a nickel-cadmium one. The battery inside the sounder was long since past its lifetime, which caused the short circuit. Its battery replaced the nickel-cadmium battery with a nickel-metal hydride one, since an X-type alarm sounder is not geared towards an up-to-date lithium batteries, though I don't feel like doing it in the near future, since my car alarm can still be triggered. It sounds using car's main horns, you see. Don't you know my hood leaper is wired to the car's alarm system? The video of making a Jaguar leaper vandal-proof is available on my channel.